My name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to show you how to make butterfly from cloth napkin. My butterfly is impressive, but also it's so easy to unfold. For demonstration, I using 17 inches square napkin. In the photos, I try to add paper napkins so my white butterfly stand up more. And now time to make pleats. Make pleats as even as possible. This side will be front of our butterfly. Hold napkin as a glass with one hand. It will be easy to handle. I'm unfolding my wings so they facing all the same direction. The middle of our napkin going towards the bottom. It will be body for my butterfly. My pointed end going inside the glass, but I'm not ready yet. I like to unfold more wings before I place it in a glass. When my butterfly in a glass, we can adjust, but very gentle. Remember how it's easy unfolds. Thank you so much for watching my video and welcome visit my website. I have much more there than on my YouTube channel.